Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are checking the aluminium C-hub converter kit. It's for XB8, so this is for one 8-scale off-road car, and with the pack comes with the ball suspension and also the new C-hub with the steering block inside here. And this is only part can really break when you are crashing, so that's why there is also optional parts. Here's aluminium C-hub, it's 16 degrees like the molded one, and there's also full kit. This is actually for Xray XB8, and this is for the trucky. So here comes C blocks and aluminium steering blocks, and here are some hardware for links, link ends and manual, and here are pieces for the steering blocks. So today I will unbox this set and we compare to it for plastic ones. So let's have a look. So now I've been opening the box or the back, and here are the aluminium C blocks. So these are 16 degrees like the plastic ones. It comes with the kit, and you can see the difference mounting the upper link. On the plastic one you have holes here, but the aluminium ones you will screw it from the top. So that's why kit comes with a different ball end. As the all with the kit from the stock kit, you get just a ball. It comes between here, but this will come at the top. And here's also 2mm seam, so the height of the link will stay the same. And here are parts for the mounting the aluminium steering blocks. So you will build it normal way, bearings here, your drive shafts, and then you are putting these plastic seams here and putting these ones. So that will complete the build. And here are your pieces for your steering. These are same ones with the kit, but only thing, this kit, this is really good kit, but it's a little bit expensive. So if you want to save a little bit money and go with the only C blocks, you will buy just the aluminium C blocks and this ball end and 2mm seam, and then you can use the plastic steering with the parts that comes with the kit. This will be much stronger than the plastic one, but not that expensive that the whole kit. Only part you don't need from the kit, because this is for the trucky, the long end. You will use the one from the kit. So here's the manual, and here you can see if you want just to buy the C-hub and the seam and the long ball end. This is same size as the kit one, so it's 6.8 millimeters. And here is the mounting. You will put the bearings, steering, shims. Here is the ball end, and then just screw it on the top. Remember to use the thread lock, because all the parts are aluminium, so they won't come off. So that was it today. Now I will build my car and go to the track. See you next time, and thank you.